And a pro-Tinubu organization, Amalgamated APC Support Groups, has commended the Supreme Court for the suspension of the new Naira design policy, saying the judgment would ease the hardship being experienced by Nigerians. Southwest chairman of the support group, Ganiyu Additional, made this known during inauguration of the Southwest executives of the Amalgamated APC Support Groups. Olaido Yewole reports.
For some time now, the Naira redesign policy made by the Central Bank of Nigeria that February 10 should be the deadline for recognizing the old notes to be legal tender has put the country into a serious chaotic situation. But following a suit instituted by governors of Kaduna, Zamfara and Kogi states, the Supreme Court recently issued an interim injunction restraining the federal government from suspending the acceptance of the old Naira notes.
And resort to vote.
Now, this Tinubu support group has lauded the move by the Nigeria's APC court to restrain the policy, which they allege was targeted as frustrating Nigerians and the ambition of their principal by some unknown politicians.
Our Jagaba, our president, he told everyone in campaign at Ogun State, what are the things, the cabals, what are your plans for the next election? You will see the old money and the new money. They are spending it together. So that we welcome that development.
In other words, we must not die before the die comes. Let us wait till the final, response from the president. Whatever the president says will be the final.
Other stakeholders in the group advised Nigerians to shun violence by not falling for the antics of saboteurs whose aim, they say, is to prevent the presidential election from holding.
The saboteur wanted to use this Naira design, the newly Naira design and the shortage of to make crisis. But our plan, our advice to each and everybody is that we should have that patience and make sure that there is no any riots.
The fiery means that they have one way or the other penetrated to cabal. Here you understand that now that their secrets are being exposed, our people know where we are going this time around.
And this time around, we all stood on our ground that we are going to give him all support we need to give him, both prayer, the physical, the spiritual.
Top of the event was the inauguration of the executive members of the group, who are expected to mobilize support and take the message of renewed hope to the people in the grassroots across Southwest. Olaido Yewole, TVC News, Ibadan.